Okay, so today we are starting with the first chapter of Vedic mathematics. Now, what is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is a mathematics which where you will learn the new techniques and tricks to solve the given multiplication, division, fraction sums very easily. Okay, so Vedic mathematics help us during whenever we are giving MCQ exams. It is useful for Olympiad exams. It is useful for the exams wherein you are preparing yourself for NEET and scholarships exam, which is there in 5th and 8th standard. So in this exams you mostly have the MCQ type questions. ठीक है, तो ये MCQ type questions, whenever you solve MCQ type questions and whenever you sit for any Olympiad exams and NEET exam, what is the main thing is the time management. Okay, because time, if you are not able to manage your time, then you won't be able to solve all the sums in a proper time. And what comes in between the time management is when you are solving the sums with the old method. Okay, the old method which you are learning in your schools, and those method which carry the steps which carry marks. But as it is an MCQ exam during Olympiad, NEET and scholarship, you do not have any marks for the steps. So that is the reason this Vedic mathematics method will help you to get the answers in an easy short way in 1 minute or 30 seconds, which will help you to manage your time. Okay, so that is the reason students nowadays use this Vedic mathematics techniques to solve their paper, and with this they can easily be able to manage the time, and even at the end they get time for rechecking and all. Okay, so let us start. Here I have told you the importance of Vedic mathematics, that what is the importance, why we should learn Vedic mathematics. It is useful for quick calculations also, for mental maths also. So this is the main reason. What I have showed you just now is the main reason why we should learn Vedic mathematics nowadays. So let us start with the first new chapter of Vedic mathematics. That is the first chapter we are going to start with is with the multiplication. We are going to cover the first topic, that is multiplication. In this multiplication there are more subtopics like multiplication with series of 1, cross method of multiplication, basic method of base rule method of multiplication, and so on. So we will start with the first topic, that is series multiplication with series of 1. Okay, now let me make you understand what is the meaning of series of 1. Okay, series of 1 means whenever a number you have to multiply with 11, 111, 1111 and so on, means 1 का जो सीरीज आपका होता है जहाँ पे नंबर 1 के इसमें हो, वो नंबर्स को आप इजी वे में कैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नाउ I'll show you two methods. Okay, first method is your old method, or you can say the method which you learn in your school. Okay, and next method which I will show is the Vedic maths method. Okay, I'm showing you the difference between these two methods. The reason is so that you can understand that how much time it takes to use the old method and to use the Vedic maths method. Let me start with the small number. Let me our question for today is let me start with a 2-digit number. Suppose if I want to multiply 32 with 11. Okay, my question is I want to multiply 32 with 11. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first multiply with my old method, that is 32 into 11. Okay, then what is my old method? First I'll multiply this one with both the numbers. So 1 2s are 2, 1 3s is 3. Then I put here 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Then I add both the numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 and 3. So this is my old method, right? Now here how many steps we have done? This is step 1, this is step 2, and here after doing 2 steps we finally get the answer after adding. Now in Vedic maths method, only in one step we will get the answer. Okay, now just pay attention how we are supposed to. It is little tricky, but once you understand it, it becomes very easy for you to solve the sums within seconds. Okay, same number I am taking 32. I want to multiply it with 11. Okay, now what is the method? Here there are how many times 1 is given, how many times we have written 1, 2 times. So जितने भी टाइम यहाँ पे 1 आपने लिखा रहेगा उससे आपको -1 करना है. Here I have written 2 times 1, so I will -2 -1 I will do, so it will become 1. So that many dash I am going to put it on both the side of the number. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 dash over here and 1 dash over here. Okay, I'll just repeat it again so that you understand it in more proper way. Here I am multiplying 32 with 11. मैं 32 को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ. ओके, अभी हमें क्या करना है? जितने बार हमने 1 लिया है, ओके, उतने बार से उसको -1 करना है. Here we have taken 1 2 times, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So that many dashes we will put on both the side. Both the side we will put. Okay, 32. This 1 dash here, 1 dash. Now what we are going to do? We are not going to see the down number. अभी हमको 11 को देखना ही नहीं है. We will get the answer just by looking this number. How? Just pay attention. 2 times 1 है, 2 बार 1 लिया है, तो 2 numbers including this dash we will add it. Okay, ऊपर से हम add करेंगे कितने numbers? 2 नंबर. 2 नंबर क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 बार 1 लिखा है. Okay, so dash plus 2 is 2. Dash means 0. Nothing is there. So dash plus 2 is 2. Then we will cut this one dash. Okay, so that you don't get confused. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, now we will cut this 2. जैसे जैसे आपका एक एक नंबर ऐड होता रहता है, you keep on cutting. Okay, 3 plus dash is 3. Then you will cut this 3. Dash is remaining alone. We cannot add it because it is one number. हमको दो नंबर साथ में ऐड करना है. So same answer we have got 352, 352. Here we have taken 2 steps to solve the same sum. Here we have taken only 1 step with some tricks and we have got the same answer. Okay, so this is what Vedic math method does. It makes your question or it makes your time very easy, quick. You can do the sums just with a trick if you remember the trick. Let us take one more example. Now we will only focus on Vedic maths method, the same series of 1, and we will not go for old method. Okay, so that you can just get completely aware and used to this method. Now we are only dealing with 2-digit and 2-digit number. Afterwards we will deal with 3-digit and 3-digit number. We will also deal that if there are more 1 and less 1, we will also deal with that. But first let us go slow. हम धीरे धीरे एक एक स्टेप करेंगे. Now 2-3 sums we will do related to this question only. Okay, so let me start with the new method. Now suppose if I want to multiply the same number, that is suppose if I am multiplying 52 with 11. Okay, so same thing I am doing. 2 times 11, 2 times 1 is there, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 dash here, 1 dash यहाँ पे. ठीक है, अभी मुझे 11 को नहीं देखना है. Now what I will do? 2 numbers I will add together. 2 नंबर मैं साथ में ऐड करूँगी. So dash plus 2 is 2. Okay, then I'll cut 1 dash. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, then I'll cut 2. 5 plus dash is 5. So my answer is 572. Okay, now next number. let me take a bigger number. For example, 78 into 11. Okay. Same way, 2 times 1 I have written. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 dash here, 1 dash here. Okay. Then two numbers I will add together. Dash plus 8 is 8. I'll cut 1 dash. Then 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. So 15, I cannot write it together like this, 1, 5, 15. What I am going to do is 5 I will write here and 1 I will carry up. Okay. Then after 8 plus 7 I have added, I'll cut 8. Then 7 plus dash is 7 and I don't have to forget, मुझे भूलना नहीं है कि मैंने 1 यहाँ पे carry up किया है. So that also I will add with when I am adding this both numbers. So 7 plus dash is 7 plus 1 is 8. So that is 858. Okay. Let us take one more question. Suppose if it is 67, we have to multiply it with 11. सेम वे 2 बार 1 है तो एक 1 यहाँ पे, एक डैश यहाँ पे. लेट अस ऐड टू नंबर्स टुगेदर. वाई टू नंबर्स? बिकॉज 2 1 यहाँ पर है. डैश प्लस 7 इज डैश, सॉरी, डैश प्लस 7 इज 7. देन कट 1 डैश. 7 plus 6 is how much? 13, right? So 13 2-digit number है तो 3 we will write down, 1 we will carry up. We'll cut 7 क्योंकि 6 plus 7 हमारा ऐड हो चुका है. Now 6 plus dash is 6 plus 1 is 7. So it is 737. If you want, you can check the answers with the calculator also, or you can use the old method and you can check the answer कि आपका correct आ रहा है या नहीं. Okay. Now few questions I am giving to you. Now you will solve those questions by your own. Few questions for practice. या आप खुद से सॉल्व करोगे in your book so that you get a thorough knowledge about it. 63 into 11, 47 into 11, 39 into 11, 88 into 11, 97 into 11, 49 into 11. Okay. So ये आपके practice questions है which you are going to solve it. So this was the first topic, the easy one. इसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे कि 3-digit नंबर को सीरीज ऑफ 1 से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 4-digit नंबर को कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और अगर 1 कम या ज़्यादा रहे तो हमें कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. दैट ऑल्सो वी विल सी, बट दैट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल दैट, बाय बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ ग्रेट डे. लर्न वैदिक, लर्न अर्ली. ये हमारा थीम है कि हमें वैदिक मैथ्स पढ़ना चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज़ गुड फॉर when we go for higher grades, but for that we have to learn it early. So start learning it. Best of luck.